Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to tutorial number 2 in our from start to finish tutorial series. It's pretty simple, animation and polygon collision 2D. It's aimed at the pretty much newbie, super newbie, anybody getting started in Unity for the first time or early on. So let's get going here. The first thing that I want to do is I just want to name these to something a little bit more specific. It'll help out down the road. You don't have to do that. I like to try to keep things as organized as possible and to name things as specific as possible. I've found from personal experience that this can really save you a lot of time and a lot of headache down the line. If you don't do that, your project's gonna get pretty sloppy, probably pretty fast, unless it's like one scene, one script, and a quarter of a game object. Then you'll probably be fine. But you'll find that this will save you a lot of headache and a lot of grief down the line. So it's always good practice just to take a moment and name it something specific. So here we're just going to get ready to, I'm kind of seeing what I want to do with the animation. I'm looking at building an idle animator. Millie's just kind of sitting there. He's flossing on a corner. He's got probably a 40 or a candy bar, maybe a Snickers or something like that. And I'm just taking a look at things right now and see, okay, what do I want to do? Okay. So we're going to get ready to create animation here. Don't just ignore that. It's fine. It's not a big deal. You've got to record the screen somehow. So open your animation window up, and the nice folks at Unity gave us a create button, which creates an Animator and animation clip at the same time. Feel free to create a new folder and call animations if you haven't already, or you can jumble into one big folder if you want. It helps things to be sloppy. I'm gonna call it Millie Animation 1. That's kind of the end product. You could do that just by hitting record. We're gonna go ahead and select our sprites and add Polygon Collider 2D to them. And if they're cut out well, the Polygon 2D Collider works quite well, as you can see there. And we're just speeding up the process a little bit to get save everybody some time. And again, just kind of do a test run, see what's going on. Very basic, very simple animation, nothing big. I mean, I might have the red whip around a little bit more. I feel like you can have a nice whip. I added a little bit of ground here, just for testing purposes and make it look a little bit more interesting to look at. The ground needs a doesn't need a rigid body, it needs a Polygon Collider 2D. So we'll slap that on, and you can see threw it on there. And now we're just going to do a quick test run, and you've got an idle animation going. And yeah, that looks pretty good so far. Let's see if we are moving along the curved surface. Nice curves. He's hanging. He's almost. That could be the game right there. Try not to tip Millie over. You got yourself a game. Try not to tip Millie over. The mini game. If you fall on your head, you lose, and he gets very upset. That's it, guys. Very short, very sweet intro to 2D gaming in Unity. And that's it. I'll catch you in the next video. And happy coding.